The Untitled Laser Tape Measure. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a 2-in-1 laser tape measure by Untitled. I will go over specs, features, and then test it out. I have included a link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, 2 AAA batteries which I have installed, and a mini screwdriver to open the battery compartment. This is a 2-in-1 tape and laser measure. It has 16 feet tape measure and 196 feet max laser distance, LCD display, magnetic tape hook, 2 AAA batteries. It measures inch, feet, meter, centimeter, millimeter, fraction, and decimals, and it's water resistant. Hey, just a short message here. Have you heard of M-Content? Well, if you haven't, it's a platform which allows you to earn crypto tokens by just watching videos. Exactly what you're doing now. So check out the app on the Google Play Store, App Store, or mcontent.net to get started. Why not earn free tokens while you watch? Use referral code BrianUnboxed when setting up the app and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my content there. Looking at the tape measure, it's no larger than your typical tape measure. It does protrude out a bit on the side for the laser. It has a hard plastic housing all around. You have the belt clip on the side, and on the rear you have the battery compartment for the 2 AAA batteries. On the other side you have the laser along with the buttons. Again, 60 meters laser distance and 5 meters for the tape. Here you can see the glass for the laser. The buttons on the side allow you to change the units of measure and also activate the laser to get the readings, along with powering it on and off. Turning on the display, just hold the read button and press the units of measure to cycle through the different measurements. You have the battery level on the upper right, and on the left you can adjust the starting point of the laser measurement from either the front or the back of the unit. Turning it off, just hold the read and unit button for a few seconds. It does have an auto shut-off after 150 seconds. Looking at the tape measure, you have your metric and your standard markings, and it's nylon coated. To use the tape measure, just hold down the button on the front to extend and to roll it back. To lock it into place, just let go of the button. You do need to keep the button held down to extend and release. The bottom of the hook is magnetic. For the measurement, it's not digital. It only works for the laser. Testing out the laser, I have an object right in front of it. Turn the unit on, press the read button once to see where the laser is landing, and then press it again to get a measurement. Now measuring the distance from the ledge to the wall. Again, press the read button to see the laser, and then press it again to get the measurement. It's that simple. So there you have it, the Untitled 2-in-1 laser tape measure. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.